Hey guys, today we're just going to be having a look at the new big party speaker from Laser, the SPK-F340, so the F340. Okay, so here you can see it's running on the battery with the light display going, which looks quite nice. Okay, so we're just going to jump in and have a look at the included accessories, the control panels, all the functions, and just the basic design of the unit. Okay, so let's have a look at the accessories first. So here we are with everything that's included in the box. You've got the power cable, the wireless microphone, the remote, and the instruction manual, along with the party speaker itself. Okay, so all these items are pretty self-explanatory, so we're just going to jump to the rear control panel of the device. Okay, so here we are on the back of the unit. Okay, so starting from the top left, we've got the auxiliary input, the audio output, so if you want to connect some external speakers, the AC input, so this is where the power cable goes in, another power source, so most people probably won't need to use this, and again, back with this thing, with the external power source, this isn't included with the any of the included accessories, so yeah, not really used for many people, because obviously the device comes with a built-in battery and it's got its own power cable, so pretty much all your bases covered already. And we've got the light switch, so that controls the display lights on the front of the unit. Okay, so now let's jump to the control panel on the top. Okay guys, so here we are at the top of the unit. We've got the carry handle, which I forgot to mention when I was at the rear of the unit, so you want to push that button and pull it up. Okay, and that's basically just like a trolley handle style. Okay, and starting from the top left again, we've got the power switch, the guitar volume, and you've got your USB stick input, your SD card input, your equalizer, which just controls the frequency of the sound, so you can basically manipulate your bass and your treble with those. Okay, and you've got your guitar input and your corded microphone input, so if you've got a professional microphone or a corded mic, you can plug it in there. And you've got these two knobs here which control the microphone, so one is echo and the other one is delay. And you've also got the microphone volume knob there. So the echo for the microphone obviously controls any echo effects, and the delay basically controls the speed of the microphone sound coming through, so basically go from the chipmunk style voice to the very deep heavy voice, so it's almost like adding an effect to your voice when using the microphone. Okay, so this one here is the main volume control, and we've got the skip back, the play and pause button, and the skip forward button, and lastly we've got the record button and the mode button. Okay, so as you can see, the device is currently in Bluetooth mode, so I'll just go ahead and show you how to pair it on Bluetooth. Okay, so just open up your Bluetooth settings on your device and search for Bluetooth devices, and you should see the speaker appear, which, as you can see, the SPK-340 here. So we just tap that, and once it's connected, we can go ahead and play some music from our device. So best to allow these things so that everything works properly. Okay, so allow, and I'll just go back and play something here. Okay, so when playing music from your device, just make sure that you've got controls for the volume on your device and on the speaker itself. So if you find that the volume's too low, it might be that your device's volume has actually been turned down. So, okay, I can change the volume that way, and also like that. Okay, so that's the Bluetooth function. To disconnect the Bluetooth device, you on this particular iPhone, you just tap the I. You can either disconnect or forget. Okay.
Bluetooth disconnected.
Okay, so that's the Bluetooth mode. Now next up we'll Next up, we'll get into the microphone. Okay, so here's your wireless microphone. You plug the two AA batteries into the back. Okay, so AA with the plus symbol facing up. Okay, so there's already one in there. Okay, so once the microphone's been got some batteries in it, just turn it on. Okay. Okay, as you can see, that's now working. So the echo function, I'll just quickly show you that. Okay, so this one controls the volume. Okay, and the delay. Hello. See? Okay, so as you can see, that controlled the pitch. Okay, and that's pretty much it for the microphone, guys. Oh, the other thing is with the microphone, you've got this record button here. So that's basically for recording what comes through on the microphone. Okay, so I'll just demonstrate that now. Plug your USB stick in. Okay, now the device will always switch straight away to the USB stick or SD card when it's plugged in. Okay, so once I've got the USB stick plugged in, I just want to press and hold the record button.
Start recording.
Okay, now it started recording, so that's when you use your microphone. Hello, testing, testing. And when you finish recording, just press and hold the record button again.
Play the recording.
And it will play back.
Hello, testing, testing.
Okay, so pretty simple, guys. Once that's finished, you can just take your USB stick out.
Line in.
Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So same thing with the SD card. Just plug an SD card in, and it'll start playing straight away. Your mode functions, you've got obviously line in. The USB stick and the SD card will only come up if you've got one of those plugged in. Okay, along with auxiliary, of course. So I'll just switch between the modes.
Bluetooth mode.
Got Bluetooth, and finally radio mode.
West Arnhem Land's finest hard rock act.
Okay, so this device has got a built-in aerial. With the radio, you want to press the play button to start the auto-tuning process. Okay, so as you can see, it's currently on 93.7. So if I just tap that, okay, so now the tuning function, auto-tuning function has started. So the device will go through all the available radio stations and save the ones with the most clearest signal. Okay, so as you can see on the display here, it'll name it, give it a number. So program 3, program 4. Okay, so all the way up until it's got all its clear stations programmed in. Once it's finished programming those in, it'll stop on the first recorded station, and you'll know the auto-tuning function has been completed. Okay, that's it, guys. That covers all the functions, and I'll catch you in the next video.